Try nga natin to.
When a clip is put on the back of a cat's neck, it becomes so calm as if the soul has left its body. Why do cats behave so strangely after being clipped? Like, what is the reason behind it? Well, this technique is called cat clipnosis, in which by lifting the skin behind the neck of the cat and clipping it, they become absolutely calm, because they feel that their mother is holding them by the neck. Then as soon as the clip is removed, they become normal again.
Pre, ito kaya to? Try nga natin. Hanap tayo ng pusa. Yan. Sige na. Try natin to. Ito pa nga. Ituloy natin. Dali. Yan. Lagyan natin. Kapit. Bo. Legit nga. Galaw. Galaw. Bo. Legit nga. Oh. Diba? Walang galaw. Galing ah. Galing natin.